Okay, so I'll be explaining some other features that I forgot to add. Okay, so let me start a sketch. First off, let me change my unit to mmgs. So mmg is, I want to draw a circle on the top plane. So let's say 50 millimeters. And I want to extrude this. So select extrude. Let's see what unpaired looks like. Yeah, it is fine. So I want to extrude this at a tapered angle. So I'll click on draft, then I'll select the angle. Let's say I want to use 10 degrees. If I want it to come outside like a basket, like a laundry basket, I'll select a draft outwards. So, boom. So let me add fillet at the end here. Okay, I want to open this face, right? What do I do? Share. I'll select this face. I want to share by, I want to share by 2 millimeters. I use 5. So I want to share by 5 millimeters. Ah, that's too thick now. That's not way too thick. So one does it. One does it. So I'm using one for my shade, right? Then how to create pattern, how to explain circular patterns here on this bucket, and how to use snip, we call it slice graphics, how to use slice graphics. So how to create a sketch, I'll put through this, my laundry basket, right? Then I want to see what is inside this basket. I want to see what's going on inside. So I'll select my slice graphics or section view here to slice about that plane. Now I can see if I want to offset this, I can just edit my distance, right? The distance of my offset. But I don't want to offset it. So I want it to be about the center. So I'll just continue. Okay. I want to create my sketch about the center, right? So I'll draw my center axis here. Then I'll draw my circles. The circles of the holes that I want to have in the basket. So let's say 4 millimeters. No, 3.8 millimeters circle. 3.5. You want to create a pattern, linear pattern about this part. So let's go linear pattern. This is my axis, right? And the feature or entity I want to pattern is this circle. How many do I want? Let me see. 9. I want 9 with a spacing of 8. No, I want more than 9 actually. Like 14. Okay, so this is just perfect. So I have my pattern here. I'm going to delete this line in the middle because I want to extrude and I want to create a pattern, a circular pattern. So I'll no. I was supposed to select extrude cut. So I'll just select extruded cut now. So let's cut our extrusion. Extruded cut. So to create the hole. Now I want to on slice. So it will close my bucket back for me. Right. I have my hole there. So I want to create a circular pattern of this. Select pattern, drop down list. Select circular pattern. My feature, what do I want to pattern? I want to pattern this. I'll select this from my browser. Right. About which direction is circular axis. So I'll be creating, let me say 14 instances. No, 18 instances. Yes. So I'm creating 18 instances about the circular axis. So here we go. I think it's too small, so just allow. Okay, so I want to create my arm at this point here. Right. So let me project this edge so that I can draw this using my spline. So I'm drawing from the right click and you left click. So I can offset this. Let's see 1 millimeter, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2. Okay, so I can as well just create a new spline using this. So I'll select my spline again and here we go. Right click and left click. So I can just bring this up to this. Okay, so I'll create my center axis construction. Oh, this is looking too small, like way too small. I'll be doing a new. I can edit this to whatever shape we want. Okay, I'll be revolving this now. Yeah. So revolve, revolve was. So what do I want to revolve? I want to revolve this. Right. So as you can see, it creates the revolution for me. Boom. So this I use pattern to create something like this circular pattern. So I have different display styles. If I don't want to display this like this, and I want to display it like using just lines, I can just select this. Can you see? If I want to have a display to a particular face or a particular angle of view, I just select this. So just drop down this arrow of view orientation, and I can invert my view. If you want to have a plan, select this. My bottom view, select this. For my home view, I can select isometric for my own view. And if I want my view to have like hidden details, I'll select this for the edges at the back. If I want wireframe, I'll select this. So shaded with edges.